Oh my god. Look at this. This tree bears a fruit that looks like coconut. Like, look at that. Look at the floor. Just so similar to coconut and at the same time looks like melon seed, melon fruit. You see that? This is the leaf. I wonder how many people knows about this. Hmm. And then I wonder what is inside. Well, I'm just curious, but I'm not gonna be curious to eat the content actually, like I've done in one other one like that. Look at this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Do you know this tree? Do you know this tree? Do you know this tree? Ooh 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 ooh. Like it's actually growing on the stem, like not even on the leaf. My god. Beautiful, right? Nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful. Nature is beautiful.